Greeting everyone, it's Otaki once again. In this video I will show you how to transform your conversation from any other models to the Claude one. So in very easy steps, if you are using a specific AI model and then you want to switch to Claude one, so we have tips and tricks for that. All what you need to do, go for the Claude and then go for the profile picture, then go for settings, Claude desktop for sure, then go for capability, and then import memory from other AI provider. So here guys, all what you need to do is just copy this prompt, go for the example of the prompt that you need to go, which is in my case this one. So in this one you will have some abilities and some things that you can have. In my case I don't have memory, I don't have anything stacked, but all what we need to do is just go there and then add to memory. So it's gonna be updating memory from here. It's gonna be taking a bit of time. So there you go guys, you have an importation one, which is the memory from another AI model on your Claude desktop. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.